How to fix call ended problem on Android. First of all, you need to open your dialer and then you need to dial star 31 and hash. Tap on call button and then this will help us to turn off the call bearing and make sure it says disable this option. Once you do that, you need to open settings on your device. Tap on mobile network and select the SIM card you are having problem with. You need to toggle the button off for a while and then make sure that you wait for 20 seconds. After that, you need to turn that back on. And after you do that, you need to exit from here, open settings again, and then search for SIM toolkit. If you don't find this way, you need to open apps. Tap app management. Now search for SIM toolkit. Wait until every app is loading. And now you can easily search for SIM toolkit so that we can easily clear the cache of it. Tap on storage users and tap clear cache. Once you follow all the steps, you need to try whether your call ended issue is fixed or not. If not, lastly restart your device because this will help us to remove or get rid of different kinds of glitches on your device. So that is how we fix call ended problem on Android. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.